GMO Sapiens, the life-changing science of designer babies by Paul Knoepfler. Science isn't yet advanced enough to create designer babies who grow up to be geniuses. The tools to genetic engineer aren't sophisticated enough to make multiple gene edits to the genome simultaneously. CRISPR-Cas9, a genetic engineering tool, can edit one gene at a time, which can hypothetically cure disease such as cystic fibrosis, but not in any way make designer babies. Nevertheless, who wouldn't want to be a creative genius like Albert Einstein? What if Stephen Hawking didn't have a debilitating illness? The ability to wholescale edit genes will be possible in the future, which will eradicate heritable genes that cause illness, and the possibility to enhance certain genes to create a genius. Without doubt, gene therapy will be big business. Some countries might ban certain types of gene therapy until technology becomes more advanced. But it won't prevent gene therapy from happening right now, as countries like China will forge ahead without evaluating the risk and consequence properly. It should be noted that the first commercial GMO pet, a glowfish, a normally black and white fish, was genetically engineered to glow neon red, green or orange. In the future, scientists will be able to create designer babies a la carte, similar in the way people customize their avatars for games. The traits that parents want their babies to have will be genetically engineered to the desire. Some people think we'll become more similar, genetically speaking, if we had a choice to genetically engineer ourselves. It would be similar to the way one follows the trend in fashion. Nonetheless, I believe that the human species in the next decade or two will diverge into diverse Homo sapiens. Some of us will eventually become incompatible with the human race. The author of this book thinks that genetically engineering babies in the future could lead to unintended consequences, like the child developing antisocial behaviour. However, by the time we can create designer babies, we will have reverse engineered hundreds of millions, if not billions of genomes, which will give us the power to pinpoint any defective genes and have them edited before they have the ability to take root. As for traits that are not reverse engineered, such as the human-animal hybrid, I believe powerful software and supercomputers will be able to simulate a human-animal hybrid to see if it's feasible before it is created. Undoubtedly, before we create GMO sapiens, all ethical standards must be upheld, as any error or mistake could jeopardize the whole industry. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.